Hey guys, here's my terrain surface definition. As you can see down in the bottom right corner here. To start off with, we use this file path node, and you upload a specific image into it. And for this one, we used a DEM image, but I suppose for this process, you could use any sort of black and white image with the grayscale and turn it into some sort of terrain, such thing like this. And then in order to read the image in Dynamo, you need this other node over here. And then this numx and numy is basically the grid. And so I gave it a 20 by 20 grid. And then after that, I told it to read the picture based on different brightnesses of, like, whether it's black or white or in the grayscale or whatever, and assigning a different height value to each one. And then you multiply that with a certain value to give the whole thing a certain height or not. So there I just increased it a little bit, and there you can see the terrain jump way up and look all crazy like. And then plug that into here with this code block thing. And this will join up in this point add. And what this does is this code block 1 to 20 by 1 gives a grid along the actual surface, and it does it every value of 1 from 1 to 20. And then we flatten the list so it can be read by this node, and this node interprets it with the original image that we had, and then we get all the points that are within this surface there. And then we plug that into a list of sublists, and we give it the range of the sublists we want, 0 to 19. If you include the 0, that gives it the 20 that we originally plugged in, and then the offset of 20. And then you can plug it into this polycurve, but the polycurve is usually a bunch of kind of straight lines that don't look as nice. You can kind of see them in the geometry here. These double sets of lines, so the straight ones that are protruding out are the polylines, and that doesn't look as nice, so you get rid of that, and you get instead use the NURBS curve by point, and then you get these much nicer lines that end up giving you a much cleaner surface once you plug it into the poly surface. And that is the terrain definition thus far. Thank you.